We correctly associate photosynthesis with light. That's the photo part of photosynthesis. In the photo part, we call these the light dependent reactions. What's going to happen is that we're going to have that energy from the sun excite some electrons in the chlorophyll. Those electrons need to be replaced. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our water molecule, we're going to break those apart. That's going to leave behind some hydrogen ions, and also we're going to form some oxygen. Light dependent reactions to build ourselves a nice little hydrogen gradient, which is then going to, guess what? It's going to power our friend ATP synthase so that we can build some of those ATP molecules that we can use for our energy source to build sugars. There's also a part of photosynthesis, the synthesis part, that can happen whether it's light or dark. We call this the Calvin cycle. It's also known as the dark reactions. We call these the light independent reactions because as long as we have ATP, these reactions can occur. Okay, so the Calvin cycle is named after the old dead white guy that described each of the steps in the Calvin cycle. But what we need to remember is that this is where those carbohydrates are built. And we're going to use the ATP that we built during the photo part of photosynthesis to build the sugars in the synthesis part of photosynthesis.